What's up, guys? I was sent this 4-in-1 weed eater for free so I could do a review for you. So it does come with this little tool kit pouch here. The only blade I've actually used is the one that you see on here now, but it comes with, like I said, a few different ones. So it's like a saw blade, your pretty typical like weed eater string is what that would be for. Got edger blades, and then it also comes with the screwdriver, and then a guide there, and then a couple of these little wrenches here to take the blades off or put them back on. So just to swap the blades out. So set this aside for now. So just set that aside for now. I forgot to mention it also does come with a pair of safety goggles and some cut gloves. You should use. I'm not using either right now, but just give you just a quick demo of how it works. See, it has a battery pack here, 21 volt. It comes with 2 batteries and a charging cord. Very simple, just like a drill or any other battery power tool. Lock it in, and then very simple. Pull the safety, or push the safety button here. Push the trigger to turn it on. And then I'll just show you if you get up close to my shed here. So there it is. As you can see, it's a pretty standard weed eater. I mean, it has the different blades, and there it is. So you can see all the options. Hopefully that helps you make your decision. Thanks.